To we start the whatever the remaining part of last chapter. So yesterday we have completed first point benchmarking. Okay, what is the definition of benchmarking? What are the procedure, advantages, disadvantages of benchmarking? Okay, so today we will see the next tool of quality. So okay. So already we have started the introduction to various techniques and tools. So one technique, or we can say that the tool. Okay, benchmarking is one of the tool for the quality control. So we discussed about that benchmarking tool. Okay, so today we will start the next point, FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Now this is also one of the technique of the quality control. So we have to study that technique. Now that techniques will be used for the to reduce the work and to increase the whatever the quality of the entire system or entire organizational structure also. Is it right? So let's start. So introduction to the various techniques and tools. So already we have studied the benchmarking. What is benchmarking? Is the process where you measure your company's success against competitors to discover how to improve your performance. So very well 1 hour we have taken for that benchmarking steps, concept, reasons. Okay, several levels of procedure, guidance, which factors are important for that benchmarking, general areas of benchmarking, okay, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so next tool for the quality control is FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Now in that whenever you will look into any industry or any organization, okay, so there is one important factor is to we have to find out failure first of all. No inequality or reduction in quality may be there. Okay, so what is the procedure to overcome that? First of all, we have to find out that gap. Okay, and whenever we will refill that gap, definitely refill that recover that failure. So our entire process will be smooth. Okay, so there is a very critical thing is that to find out the gap or failure. Okay, so this technique will be helpful for the industrial organizational structure to find failure mode and effect analysis. Now here the 2 points are very important, failure mode and effect analysis. A failure mode is the where the failure is there. Okay, how to 1 minute. So that will be find out the failure. Whenever you will find the failure, definitely you will get what action we have to take there. Okay, so that is a one standard method which is used in in the industrial organization. Okay, in product industry or service industry. FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. So we will let discuss what is the informations of FMEA. Improves design by discovering unanticipated failures. Okay, so unanticipated failures we can calculate and we can find out whenever you will get this is a failure, then and then only we can take the action on them. Is it right? So first of all, in industry there is a very we can the critical thing is that to find out the failure. Is it right? Suppose for example sugar industry. Okay, so whatever the machinery or line work of that sugar industry is very lengthy. Okay, so number of machines are there, but whenever at the end suppose some disturbance or some drawback in any product. Okay, so we have to find out where is the failure. ओके, म्हणजे आपण तुम्ही कधी घरामध्ये किंवा शेतामध्ये बघितलं असेल, जर वायर जर बस्ट झालेली असेल कुठं, बरोबर का, म्हणजे शॉर्ट झालेले असेल तर कुठं, तर काय करावं लागणार आपल्याला, वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट दॅट गॅप. कुठं बस्ट झाली ते समजत नाही लवकर आपल्याला. ओके, मग त्यासाठी काय करणार आपण, काय इन्स्ट्रुमेंट असतील ते बघणार, त्यांना नाही असलं तर काय बरोबर मध्ये एक कट करणार वायर, मग त्यातले दोन्ही भाग चेक करणार. ओके, मग कट कट करत. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी लेंदी प्रोसेस. ओके, but with the help of innovation, with the help of different technology, we have to find out the with the help of different electronics, computerized system. Okay, so FMEA is a system, or we can say that FMEA is a tool which is used for to calculate or to discover the unanticipated failures. Is it right? So that techniques will be important for the uh, our quality control. Now highlights the impact of the failure. Now whatever that FMEA system, whenever you will apply that system in your organization, okay, definitely you will get directly idea, this is a failure due to that our product is not giving quality. Okay, so we can directly give the maintenance, intimation to that particular worker or that expert, okay, to repair that machine or to repair or to maintain that maintenance of that particular machine. So we can give the direct suggestion. Okay, so this system is very important and generally used in a number of industries for the quality control. Is right? So next important is provide a method to characterize product safety. And definitely whenever we will get the failure and effect analysis, okay, analysis tool, they will also guide what record or what action to be taken. Okay, so this is a important of that FMEA technique. Okay, now it records and document the logic of engineers and related design and process consideration. Okay, so these additional points are available in FMEA. Okay, generally these techniques are used in manufacturing industries. So whenever you will go in industry for the any visit purpose or for the job purpose, okay, so you will get an idea, overall idea about these techniques. Okay, how or when that technique will be used, which technique is used by the industries. Okay, so I think you have visited different industries, okay, through industrial visit. Okay, Top Gear may be there, HG Gears may be there from the Tembo MIDC. Okay, so here also they are using that techniques also. Okay, so FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Now analysis of that failure is also available inside that the technique. Okay, generally FMEA is software. Okay, so with the help of advanced computerization, we have converted the FMEA system to the computerized system. So with the help of different sensors, different electronic devices, okay, so this system is now available in computerized model. Okay, now it is an indis indispensable resources for a new engineer. Indispensable resources is nothing but the whenever as according to the maintenance or according to the failure type. Okay, so resources for new engineers and future design and process decision. Now that, suppose for example, take one example of CATIA software. Okay, now in that CATIA, whenever you will observe or you will handle that CATIA software, okay, so there is a one title bar is there. Okay, I think sorry, काय म्हणतो कुठला बार जरा म्हणतो आपण, सॉरी, I am forgetting that name. Command bar, one bar is there. Okay, one tab is there. So they will give the action. What action we have to taken in next. Okay, so we can suggestion box. We can say that. Okay, so suggestion task, suggestion box, or entire something screen may be there. Okay, so that process is nothing but the to giving and before information. Okay, so we can get the whatever the where is the failure and that failure, now how to recover that failure. Okay, suppose for example in industry there are number of bulbs are there. Okay, red bulb, yellow bulb, green bulb. Whenever green bulb is okay on, definitely our entire work will smooth. Okay, whenever a yellow light will be there, so definitely something will be done. Okay, so something failure will be done, and whenever red light will be done on, definitely we will get an idea about something failure was done. Okay, so these are the some indicators. So that FMEA software will give indication also, and they will give what action have to be taken. Okay, what action should have to taken according to that particular failure. Okay, so this is the importance of that FMEA. So there are generally 10 steps of the FMEA, failure modes and effect analysis. Now and identify components and associated functions. So that software first step is that they will identify the component. Okay, which component and which failure and associated functions of that particular component. Next, brainstorm potential failure modes. So in that technique also brainstorming is required. So that software will also that complete failure, partial failure. So they will give information about whether the whatever the failure is there is fully or partially. Okay, complete failure or partially failure. So according to that action, so we can take action on that particular failure and we will remove that failure. Definitely your work will be done smoothly. Now third step is identify effect of failure mode. Definitely they will identify failure mode, short, effect, no light, electrical firings. So something firing may be there, some uncertainty will happen. So they will give signal. Okay, again that facility is also available in failure mode and effect analysis technique. Assign severity ratings, how significant impact of effect is an final customer. So assign severing ratings are also given by that FMEA software, okay, or technique. Next step is a calculate PRN, okay, risk priority number, RPN, okay. So that is some basic formula for the RPN calculation. Risk priority number is equal to severity into occurrence into detection. So these are the some management words are there, okay. So severity is nothing but whatever the amount of that particular failure, okay. Occurrence is nothing but the which occurrence, we can say that the sudden occurrence may be there, okay. So occurrence into detection, which detection they have found. So this is multiplication of that is nothing but RPN number. So according to that RPN number we can get an idea about how much dangerous failure is there, okay. So we can take action on them. Now next step is a develop action plan to address the high RPN, okay. So according to that RPN we can take the action and they will give, we have to design, you have to decide. So we have to develop the one action plan according to the reading given by that RPN number, okay. According to that RPN number, take action on that and reevaluate the RPN after completion of action. So this is a continuous cycle, okay. So whenever you will dealing to the quality control, so that points are continuously definitely, is it right? So again there are some charts are there, okay. So actually assign severity ratings are given here. How to calculate the rating? Suppose first rank is having none, okay. If there will be no any failure or failure will not be there, definitely we that software will give the, or we can give the rating as 1, okay. So what is formula for that RPN number? Severity into occurrence into detection. So what is the amount of severity or what is the amount of occurrence, what is the amount of detection, that chart is displayed here, okay. So suppose one rating is there, no, none effect will be there, okay. So second very slight, okay. So little bit failure will be is there, okay. Slight, minor, moderate, severe, severity, very high severity, extreme severity and maximum severity. So these are the rating. So we have to put that value into that RPM number formula. So that will be you according, we will get the final RPM number, okay. So according to that RPM number we will get an idea whether that failure is partially failure or the complete failure, okay. So which action we have to take on then, okay. So these are the some ratings. Now for the occurrence rating, same chart is there. They have given rank 1 to 10. So 1 rank is nothing but the extremely unlikely, okay. Remote likelihood, very slow, very low likelihood, moderately, medium, very high, extreme and maximum. So again these are the ascending order they have given here. So we have to according to failure, so we will get an idea about that from the RPN number, okay. So these are the some ratings. Now assign detection ratings are here, same detection ratings are there, okay. Extreme, very high, moderate, remote, extremely. So same ratings are there. So we have to find out the rating of that RPN number, okay. So these are the final chart for the RPM number, okay. So we have to multiply that, okay. Suppose 1 minute. सपोज हाँ आई विल, अरे होगी सर, हां कुठे गेलं, ओके बेटा हां आता suppose here, okay, so we have to give the ratings also. Suppose there is a some failure is there, suppose gas cooler is there, component name is gas cooler. Okay, जरा मोबाईल उभा करा बरं का तुम्हाला दिसत असेल तर. gas cooler component name gas cooler, function of that gas cooler is conduct heat to the external environment. Okay, again potential failure mode, which failure, back blockage in refrigerator flow. Suppose these are the failures, so we have to find out the how much failure is there, which action we have to take with the help of FMEA tool. Okay, failure mode and effect analysis. So potential काय बनगड बरं, हां एक मिनिट रेकॉर्डिंग सुरू आहे का, ओके हां so here is a one example. So here, so this is a gas cooler component, okay, we can say there, function of that gas cooler, hmm? Blockage, we got the potential failure mode, potential effect of failure mode, low cooling capacity increase whatever the impression. Okay, so severity rating is 6. Now what is a 6 value, extremely are we already discussed in that chart. Okay, so severity rating is 6, occurrence rating, occurrence is nothing but a bend or blockages. Okay, cause of failure occurrence, and detection current control, deformation guard and design of component. So detection rating is 10 and occurrence is 2. So RPM formula is multiplication of severity, occurrence and detection, 6 into 2 into 10 120. So according to that RPM number we have to take action. So which action, recommended action of particular RPM number. So parallel procedures, pressure sensor switched in front of gas cooler. Okay, plus काय म्हणते, plausibility control via regulation control. So that action they have given. So who is the responsibility of that particular target? Mr. Rahul, 7th May 2012. Okay, so action taken here. So this is a final action result. Okay, several 6, occurrence 2, detection C. So this is evaluation of that RPM number. ओके, म्हणजे RPM नंबर इज रिड्युस्ड, म्हणजे 120 वरून 172 पण झाला. सो दिस इज अ ॲक्च्युली प्रोसेस ऑफ FMEA. ओके okay, so here the FMEA information is over. Okay, so we will start the next. Okay, if any doubt is there in FMEA failure mode and effect analysis, you can ask here. Okay, so second technique is over here. Now third technique is a QA buddy. Okay, so wait, QA buddy, quality function deployment. अजून लोक येतात, एक मिनटं. Message your roll numbers here. Am I audible here? काय लेफ्ट कोण होते सारखं, हे संपून टाकू सिलेबस आपण, झालायचं लाईक उद्या उद्या होऊन जातो सिलेबस आपला. ओके, 44 लेक्चर अँड 3 टेस्ट आर रिमेनिंग है ना. 44 5 6 7 47 लेक्चर विल बी सफिशियंट. ठीक आहे. Now quality function deployment, this is again next technique of the quality control. Quality deployment, function deployment. So here the matrix. So before matrix we will discuss definitions. So there are 11 important points are there for the quality function deployment. Okay, so first is the customer requirement. Okay, what customer is expecting. So again these are the tool so of quality control. So generally these tools are used in industries also. Okay, so here the important 11 points are there. First is customer requirement, second काय competitive assignment, third काय here we will discuss directly. So first point is the customer requirement. So actually we have discussed a lot. These are typically the customer requirements. Okay, so for the QFD we have to study first of all the 11 points. Okay, so we have to concentrate on 11 point, and that is nothing but the third technique QFD. Next is the competitive assessment. Okay, it shows how the top 2 or 3 competitive products rank with respect to the customer requirement. This start with rating each customer requirement on scale of 1 to 5, and then by considering planning improvement and any requirement that are planned for the special attention. Okay, here the competitive assessment is nothing but we have to compare again with the help of competitors. म्हणजे कस्टमर फाइंड करायचा, व्हॉट इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द कस्टमर. सध्या मार्केटमध्ये कस्टमर काय करतोय, कोणता प्रोडक्ट घेतोय. Okay, now we have to compare our product to the market available marketing products. Okay, this is the second step in QFD, quality function deployment. Now here deployment is nothing but we have to introduce that. Okay, we have to study entire structure of that particular quality technique. Okay, next engineering characteristics. How? Okay, suppose we got an idea. Now this is a whenever by considering or by comparing the competitors we will get an idea about the competitive assessment. Okay, from the competitive assessment, so we have to take action. Now we have to implement the engineering characteristic that, okay, how much or which characteristics should be required. Okay, what maintenance is required, what addition, what innovation is required. So we have to study that. The engineering characteristics that enable satisfying the customer requirement are likely listed in this column. Now correlation matrix. This is also techniques. Some mathematics are also required for the correlation matrix, relationship matrix, absolute importance. So correlation matrix, it shows the degree of independence of the engineering characteristic with each other in the roof of the house. Okay, in the, we can say that the top. Okay, on the top. Relationship matrix, it represents the correlation between engineering characteristics and the customer requirements. Absolute importance. To determine the absolute importance, we need to multiply the numerical value in each of the cell of the relationship matrix 6 by the importing rating 3, and then sum the number in cells of each column. So this is some procedure they have given here. Okay, for the calculation of absolute importance. Next is relative importance. Now we have to here also in this relative importance they represent the absolute importance but normalized on scale of 1 to 100. This is a standard procedure of QFD, technical competitive assessment. Okay, as competitive assessment we have discussed in second step. So in here also 8 step, 9 step the we have to assessment of competitive, technical competitive. Okay, which technical factors we have to discuss. This refers to the benchmarking of the company's performance against the top 2 or 3 competitors for each of the engineering characteristics. Here also suppose we have to brainstorming, benchmarking. Okay, benchmarking of the oh, 1 minute. Okay, so next is the technical computer assessment, technical difficulties. Now here these depict the easy or the extent of difficulty to achieve each engineering characteristics. Here also in difficulties, technical difficulties may be there. So we have to discuss, we have to compare that difficulties and how to solve. You have to think on that also. Okay, target values. This would be depict the final target set based on the key engineering characteristics that are deemed important and the assessment of the technical difficulties. Okay, so this is the procedure of the quality function deployment. Okay, so these factors are important for the quality factor. Consumer requirement, competitive assessment. Third is a importance rating. Okay, fourth engineering characteristic, correlation matrix, relationship matrix, absolute importance, relative importance, technical competitive assessment, technical difficulties, target values. Okay, so this is all about the QFD. Okay, this is again QFD is a technique. So something mathematical. So whenever you will go in industry, so we will get in detailed knowledge of that techniques. Okay, where that will be implemented, how that implemented. Okay, so this is a chart of the that. Okay, example they have given competitive evaluation. So this type of ratings we have to give there. Okay, release importance and rating. These are the rating from 1 to 100. Okay, so we have to there is alternative and here the criteria are there. Okay, durable, lightweight, roomy, look like okay, nice, low cost. So this is a total rating. Okay, they have given rating for 25% for durability. Okay, lightweight la 20%. Okay, roomy la 25. Look nice, whatever the low cost is 10. So total average total is rating 100%. Okay, so in that computer evaluation A B given, our target is listed over here. Okay, so this type of again here the product characteristics are there. Number of zippers and compartments, weight of backpack, strength of backpack. Okay, grade, dry, color, cost of material. So these are the some product characteristics are there. Okay, so relative importance. So we have to give the rating. This is nothing but the QFD. So this is the procedure of the QFD. Okay. Okay, so Six Sigma and Taguchi we will discuss at next lecture. So these are the very important. So next is ISO series standard. So I think this point we have already covered in last chapter. I think. So what are the ISO 9000 series are there? Okay, international standard for our international organization for the standardization. Okay, 9000. So it was formulated by international organization for the standardization in order to meet the requirement of international uniform quality system. So already we have discussed a lot. Okay, so we will discuss only ठीक है. So we will discuss QMS. So next quality control tool is QMS. इकडे तिकडे स्लाइड झाले बरं का. Quality management system QMS. So quality management system is defined as a formalized system that documents processes, procedures and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps to coordinate and direct an organization's activity to meet consumer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on continuous basis. This is again one standard technique to quality improvement system. You try. So these are the techniques. Now in basic language, so according to the knowledge, according to the experience, so number of techniques are available. Okay, so there is one best example is there. Suppose our educational organization is there. Okay, Sweri College. In Sweri College, there are number of techniques are used. Okay, for example, triple P. This is one of the technique. So टेक्निक ऑफ क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट म्हणजे काहीतरी वेगळं ह्यांनी दिलेलं आहे बरोबर का. इन ट्रिपल पी म्हणजे काय असणार आहे. सो दॅट विल बी हेल्प फॉर दी क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट ऑफ दी स्टुडंट. ओके, म्हणजे लाईक दीज टेक्निक्स आर युज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री. ओके, ट्रिपल बी असेल, योगा सेशन असेल, ओके, स्पोर्ट रिलेटेड समथिंग डिफरंट. ओके, सो दीज आर द टेक्निक्स. Okay, so with the help of that techniques we will get quality material, quality service, quality product. Okay, so for the improvement of the quality we have to use that techniques. Okay, the next technique is the quality management system, QMS. Generally QMS system is usually everywhere. Okay, now what is a already we have discussed a lot on management system. Okay, quality improvement. So same definitions are there. Document processes. Okay, what is the procedure of that document? Process, procedure, responsibilities of each and every factor. Okay, whenever each and everyone will take his responsibility and he will do very well work, so the entire work will be done. Okay, for achieving the quality policies and the objectives. Now QMS helps to coordinate and direct an organization's activities, definitely to meet customer and regulatory requirement, and improve its effectiveness and the efficiency of an continuous basis. Definitely that product service will be effective and efficiency will also very good. Is it right? Now ISO 9001 2015, the international standard in the most prominent approach to quality management system. Some standards are there. Huh? So each and every year, their editions may be there. Okay, so these are the editions. ISO 9000, 2015, 2016. Okay. Benefits. Next is benefit. पुढे होते का? Benefit of the QMS. One waiting line बघा एक मिनिट. आहे की. अटेंडन्स एकदम कमी आहे काय बघा. So QMS, we will finish that QMS. So benefit of the QMS. 1 minute. Share करतो screen. Benefit of the quality management system: meeting the customer's requirement, create confidence in the organization, in turn leading to more consumer, more sales and more profit business. Okay, so whenever you will implement the QMS, we will follow the instruction of QMS. Definitely quality, cost, effectiveness, efficiency, profit, maximum sale. Okay, we will get. Now meeting the organization requirement which ensures compliance with regulations and provision of product and services in the most cost and resource efficient manner. So creating expansion, growth and profit. Yeah, these are the very simple. Like I sang, explanation is not required here. Huh? So defining, improving and controlling the processes is will be considered in quality management system. Reducing waste. Okay, whenever reduce will be waste reduction is nothing but the profit increasement. Is it right? खर्च कमी जर केला तुम्ही तर definitely profit will also increase. Okay, cost of product will also decrease. Is it right? These are the some standard ways. Preventing mistakes and lowering costs. Now in QMS system, quality management system, so they have to follow these instructions. Okay, so definitely these are the benefits with by using QMS. Preventing mistakes and lowering cost, facilitating and identifying training opportunities. Okay, so training opportunity will also take, engaging staff. Okay, definitely. So whenever the wherever the 3 shifts work, 24-hour work is going on. Okay, so that time this type of QMS system is always in running. Okay, so if you know about the that 24-hour working industry. Okay, so they are definitely they are using that systems. Okay, techniques, quality management system, engaging staff, setting organization wide direction, communicating a reading readiness to produce consideration result. कसले consistent results. These are the principles: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence based decision making, relationship management. Already we have discussed in section first. Okay, now chapter number 5. Now there are three standard series are there of QMS: ISO 9000 2005, QMS fundamentals and terminology. So they have काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, they have focused on QMS fundamentals and terminology. Okay, so in each and every product there is a some standard is given. म्हणजे जे काय प्रोडक्ट किंवा प्रोडक्ट्स असतील आपण बघितले त्याच्यावर लिहिलेलं असतं ISO 9000 2005, ISO 9001 2008. Okay, so these are the some standards. Okay, so that standards they are using. For example, in our vehicles, okay, automotives, automobiles. So there is BS4, BS6, BS3. Okay, so these are the series. So these are the series of quality international organization for the standardization. Okay, so these are the standards given by the ISO. Okay, international organization for the standardization 9000 2005. Actually these will be asked in MCQs. Okay, definitely MCQs मध्ये हे फिक्स आहे पडणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे 2005 विचारते तुम्हाला ISO. हां, QMS fundamental where they have observed. Okay, so you have to write down ISO 9000 2005 in MCQ. So these are very important. So next, ISO 9001 2008 specifies conformity of QMS to consumer, regulatory and organization. Okay. So the in one right. ISO for the ISO 9000 series. So we have to discuss 9000 series. Okay, series 9000, 9001, 9002, 3, 4. Okay, these are the some series are there. So ISO 8402, 1986. These are the year of installation. Okay, and his name also, short name ह्याच्यामध्ये पण दिलेला आहे. Up to where? This is the time bound of the ISO. म्हणजे ISO 8402 is म्हणजे 1986 पासून 98 पर्यंत हे चाललं होतं, बरोबर का. पुन्हा तिथून पुढे काय झालेलं आहे, ISO फुट झालेला आहे बघा, 87 ला दुसरं एक ISO आलेला आहे. सो दीज आर द सम स्टँडर्ड्स. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन दिस कोविड सिच्युएशन, so central government and state government are giving GRs also. Okay, government rules are there, so GR number may be there, SOPs are there. So according to that date, according to that year, so they will set the standard. Okay, so these are the standards, and whatever the main point of that standards also given. Okay, so this will be asked in definitely in MCQ examination. Quality management and assurance standard, ISO 9001 1987, model for quality assurance in design, development, production, installation and servicing. ISO 9002 in 1987. Okay, so the next name is IS 14002 to 1988. Okay, this is a period of that standards. Model for quality assurance in production and installation. ISO 9003 1987, mode for quality assurance in final inspection and test. Okay, production and installation त्याच्या आधी होतं. After that final inspection and test. So they have focused on analysis part also in 9003. Okay, ISO 9004, quality management and quality system element guidelines. Okay, so these are the some series standards and nomenclature of that. Now benefits of ISO 9000 company. So those companies are following ISO rules. Okay, so this is nothing but, for example, when that ISO will give permission to you. Okay, म्हणजे आता बघा gradings are there. Okay, for example, ISO 9, ISI, non-ISI in India. Okay, so they suppose those are following the instruction from ISO, then and then only ISO will give the permission to use his logo. ओके, म्हणजे बघा, दिस इज अ स्टँडर्डायझेशन. ओके, म्हणजे मार्केटमध्ये जर तुम्ही गेला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ यू आर इन ॲग्रिकल्चर फील्ड, जर तुम्ही दुकानामध्ये गेला आणि त्यांना विचारलं मग की आम्हाला बाबा हे रानातली PVC पाईप घ्यायची आहे, ठिबक घ्यायची आहे, बरोबर का, किंवा मोटर घ्यायची आहे, पाईपलाईन असेल, स्टार्टर घ्यायचा आहे, काय असेल ते, बरोबर का, किंवा मोटर्स गाडीच काय असेल, तर दुकानदार म्हणतो बघा तुम्हाला, हां ह्या दोन आहेत आपल्याकडे, कुठले आहेत, समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव टू बाय वन स्टार्टर. ओके, सो एल टी स्टार्टर असेल एल एन टीचा, तर हां 1300 रुपये, बरोबर का. दुसरा एक काय म्हणाला की हा कितीला 600 रुपयाला. देर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरन्स. ओके, बट दॅट 1300 1300 रुपयाचा जो स्टार्टर असेल तो काय असणार आहे, ISO मार्क किंवा ISI मार्क इज देअर. ओके, सो सम स्टँडर्ड, अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट स्टँडर्ड वी कॅन गेट an idea about the quality. Okay, so definitely we can compare that. So whenever these standards are useful for the calculation. Okay, म्हणजे आता कॉलेजच्या ॲडव्हर्टाईज असतात ॲडमिशनच्या वेळेस, कॉलेज ॲडव्हर्टाईज करतात प्रत्येक, आमच्याकडे नॅक A ग्रेड आहे, कोण म्हणतं नॅक B ग्रेड आहे, कोणी NBA म्हणतो. ओके, सो दीज आर द सम स्टँडर्ड्स. Whenever they will give information about their standard, definitely we will get an idea, this is a quality institute, this is a quality product. Okay, so according to the standards we can get idea about the his quality. Okay, so these are the benefits recognized as benchmarking for the measuring quality. So I is used worldwide. Okay, so everyone of the entire world is trying to get an ISO certified. Okay, so our college is also ISO certified. I think in last few months we have I think in last semester. Okay, so ISO committee was in our college. Okay, I was the coordinator of that. So this is a very standardization committee is there. Okay, so they are checking each and every point of your organization. Okay, so I am very happy at that time. So this ISO committee is checking, okay, whether your institute is following all the instructions given by ISO. Okay, so they are checking. Okay, so due to some that pandemic situation, we have given presentation, and whatever the audit of that ISO was online. Okay, me, HOD, principal sir was there. So this is very huge inspection is there. Okay, very clear inspection is there. So these are the benefits of the ISO. Okay, so to build the customer's confidence, that is, it is capable of delivering the products or services of desired quality, to enhance foreign exchange, complete in international market. Definitely, whenever you want to sell one product, whenever your product will be ISO certified, ISI certified, definitely quality, that customer will directly buy your product, because that is the product is certified by one standard organization. Okay, very well known organization. Okay, so definitely whatever that customer will demand your product, and definitely whenever number of customer will demand your product, they will purchase your product, the entire growth of industry will be increased. So this is the main importance of that committees of that series. Okay, so this is a quality management function. So this study is under quality QMM. Okay, quality QMS, quality management system. Now next benefit is to build customers confidence, that is capable to delivering the product or service of desired quality. Okay, we already discussed. Now it avoids time, money spent on multiple inspection of the product for conformance. So definitely whenever the branded product may be there, so there is no need to inspection. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्ही फॉर एक्झाम्पल मार्केटमध्ये गेला कधी, बरोबर का, तर त्या ब्रँडेड आयफोन असेल तर आयफोन तुम्ही बघणार आहे का शोधून, हा ह्याची क्वालिटी आहे का, काय बघणार आहे का बाबा, हेडफोन बसतो का बरोबर, आवाज येतो का बरोबर. ओके, सो दिस इज ब्रँडेड. सो विथ ड्यू टू दॅट युअर टाईम विल ऑल्सो सेव्ह. ओके, ती जर चायनाचा मोबाईल बघायला गेला तुम्ही, तर तुम्ही बघणार आहे हेडफोन चेक करा, हेडफोन बसतोय का बघणार, त्यातून आवाज येतो, एक बंद पडलेला दिसतंय का, एखाद कमी आवाज येतो का, जास्त आवाज येतो का, म्हणजे देर इज अ टाइम, maximum time is required. Okay, so these are the some benefit of the ISO. Okay, whenever the branded item is there, branded product is there, service is there, so there is a no time is required for the inspection. Okay, so already definitely that amount of hope, or we can say that the branded is available there. Okay, so it avoids time and money spent on multiple inspection of the product for conformance. improves efficiency, reduction in inspection, scrap and rework. Definitely for the rework purpose, scrap purpose, that will be expected. Okay, or they will accept that. For example, in if you visited one drip, okay, there is a number of shops are available on road by. ओके, म्हणजे रोडच्या कडेला बघा ठिबकची दुकान असतील, पाईपलाईनचे असतील, तिथे एक असते बघा, जुन्या ठिबक परत घेतल्या जातील स्क्रॅपमध्ये. ओके, जर आय एस ओ असेल तर, आय एस आय मार्क असेल तर त्याचा दर जास्त आहे किंवा ते घेतलं जातं. काही जण आय एस आय असेल तरच घेतात. ओके, सो दॅट विल बी बेनिफिटेड फॉर दी रिवर्क पर्पज अँड दी स्क्रॅप पर्पज ऑल्सो. ओके, इम्प्रूव्ह एफिशियन्सी, रिडक्शन इन इन्स्पेक्शन्स. So some disadvantages are very much demanding on resources, time consuming and involve considerable clearly work. Now here the audit work is maximum. Okay, ISO काय तुम्हाला लगेच उगच हां 1000 रुपये लाखभर रुपये दिले म्हणून काय तुम्हाला ब्रँड मिळत नाही. ओके, सो दे विल इन्स्पेक्ट. ओके, they will visit your organization, they will search your product, they will find they will analyze your product, then and then only they will give whatever the permission to them. Okay, or they will give grade also. Okay, आता नॅक कमिटी किंवा NBA कमिटी कॉलेजमध्ये येतात. ओके, सो दे विल अनालाइज. ओके, व्हेरी वेल. 2-3 दिवस कमिटी येते कॉलेजमध्ये, प्रत्येक पॉईंट इच अँड एव्हरी पॉईंट दे विल डिस्कस. म्हणजे स्टुडंटशी बोलतात, पॅरेंटशी बोलतात, प्रिन्सिपल, फॅकल्टी, ओके, स्ट्रॅक होल्डर्स, ओके, अल्युमिनीज. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी ह्यूज इन्स्पेक्शन इज देअर. then and genuinely they will give the, because this is the standard ना. असं जर विकायला लागले पदव्या तर that will be very critical. Okay, so these are some disadvantages also. Assessment and registrations are also expensive, definitely. So registration fees and assessments are very expensive. Why? Because those people are working in ISO, these is very experienced, okay, are knowledgeable. So whatever the amount of his work time is very huge. Definitely these are the some expensive. Need to change attitude and accept new working practices may strain management capacity of the company beyond its ability to cope. Okay, now here the something you have to accept. Sometimes you require to change attitude also. Is it right? So due to that some rules and regulations. बरोबर का? काही कमिटी असं असतात की त्याच्यामुळं तुम्हाला रूल पण बदलावे लागतात इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये पहिले. इज इट राईट? म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन कोविशिल्ड वॅक्सिन, ओके, सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट गाईडलाईन्स, स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट गाईडलाईन्स आर डिफरंट, बट दॅट स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट गाईडलाईन्स शुड बी चेंज वेन एव्हर सेंटर विल आस्क. ओके, म्हणजे मनाच्या विरुद्ध पण करावं लागतं असं कधी कधी, बरोबर का? सो दीज आर द सम डिसएडवांटेजेस फॉर दिस type of quality management system or some standardizations. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. Okay, so next is the EMS, environmental management system. So we will discuss that system in next lecture. Okay, so we will stop here. So what we have discussed here today, FMEA, okay, failure mode and effect analysis. Next is QFD, quality काय होतं, QMS, quality management system. Okay, now that technique we will discuss next lecture. Quality function deployment. Okay, QFD, there are 11 points are there. Which points? These are the points. FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Okay, now these 11 points of QFD: consumer requirement, competitive assessment, importance rating, okay, engineering characteristic, correlation matrix, relationship matrix, absolute importance, relative importance, technical competitive assessment, technical difficulty, target values. Okay, so these are the 11 important points of the QFD. So we have discussed already in detail. Okay, so this is all about. Only 3 techniques are remaining, I think 3 or 4. So we will finish that technique. This is only one lecture syllabus is remaining. Okay, so all of you start for the write up of the practicals also. Okay, yesterday I have told you. सो मेसेज ओव्हरऑल नंबर्स अगेन हिअर. जर आधी लिहिले असतील तर ठीक आहे. आता इथे काय प्रामाणिक कोणाचंच काय म्हणजे आता काय ठीक आहे. ऑटोमॅटिक रेकॉर्ड होतं आहे खरं, काय होतं लास्ट. Okay, so thank you very much for attending this lecture. So we will meet again in next lecture. Okay, thank you.